Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today I'm at this Sembawang 4-room HDB apartment. My guy is going to start the demolition soon. So before they start, I would like to show you the original condition of the place and what is my design proposal. So before they come, let's take a look first. Okay, let's start with the main entrance. So right now I'm at the main door. Okay, and once you enter, there's this bomb shelter. So right now it's being covered by this mirror feature. And over here will be the living. So living, there's also some mirror here. So all this is going to be removed, okay, including the feature wall here, because my design intent is to cover up the entire wall, right, with just one color laminate, having some up truss light and down truss light that will illuminate the space and make it a bit cleaner, because right now you can see that the feature wall is in the middle, and then on top there's a beam, so a lot of edges and a lot of recess areas, which is not so ideal. So at the entrance side here, there'll be some cabinet also. Okay, so the whole idea is to have this side of the cabinetry in one color, and then on this side here is another lighted color. So the left side here is slightly darker. Okay, the color is slightly darker, and of course there's going to be a sliding door towards the kitchen. So the kitchen is going to be revamped as well. So all these are old sintered stone, if I'm not wrong. Okay, if not, then it's quartz. Okay, but all this will be removed. At the bathroom, I'm going to create an entrance walkway towards the master bathroom. Okay, because this one is the common. So I'm going to link this two bathroom together. Okay, so at this side here, right, this is the wall towards the first common bedroom. The wall here is going to be demolished, so that there's going to be a sliding door here. Okay, then everything will flush all the way towards this common bedroom, because this is going to be like a multi-purpose guest room. And over here, there's going to be a flush fitted door to enter to the master bedroom. Okay, so this is going to be the owner's working studio. Okay, this room. So all this wall is going to be hacked down. Okay, I'm going to link this studio with the master bedroom. So at the master bedroom, this wardrobe will be removed because the wardrobe is going to be here. Okay, this wall all going to be removed. Right, and so this is the master bathroom. So the entrance walkway will be here. So we enter from the common, and the shower will remain here. Okay, the shower and the WC. So behind will be strictly just the vanity cabinet. So you can see that the flooring is the original marble floor. Okay, my client, he wants to keep this marble floor. Okay, so I'll have one round of polishing to make it gloss again. Sometimes there'll be some grouts that need to touch up, but that could be later once we grind down, and then we see which are the area that needs to be touched up. Okay, so this is just a very short intro of what I've proposed to this 4-room HDB apartment. So along the way, I'll update more videos, okay, so that you can see the progress of this renovation. So remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video.